Welcome back to the channel. Super grateful, super thankful to have you here. I'm going to take my own professional headshot by myself, of myself, in this small little studio space that I have going down here. I've got a couple simple hacks and simple tricks to help take self-portraits. And along with that, it's really just a few steps to get to that point. So let's get started. Now we are going to break the illusion of this studio. I'd say behind me is like a 4x5 little area, if that. And so get creative with your spaces. So I want my camera as far back as it can be. The hope here is that there'll be enough separation to create kind of an abstract background with those lights. And so it's like totally out of focus, hopefully. I think we are super close. Right here, if I were to sit like this or whatever, I think there's enough blur in the background that it kind of looks abstract and you don't really know what's going on, but we can mess with that later and continue tinkering with what we've got right now. So next step is key light, and then turning off headlights, and then tinkering in the back. All right, so I feel like the key light is there, but let's turn off these. Got to move a couple things in the background, make sure nothing's sticking out of the top of my head, and then we have the camera running on time-lapse mode. As you can hear it shooting every second. This is my trick, this is my hack to capturing self-portraits. I've done this with my fiance for our engagement shoots, for just regular travel and adventure stuff. I also did my passport photo like this, actually, which is kind of silly, but it worked. You turn on time-lapse mode, you can manually focus to where you want the focus to be, or if your camera has good enough face detection, you can trust it enough to capture your face. Let's get into position. Let's try to get a good smile going and see if we can get something cool out of this. So we have our final product, and I'm curious to know what you think. Let me know below in the comments. I'm overall pretty happy with it. I think it represents me as a professional and a creative spot on. This is how I show up to work. And I love that it has kind of this like softness, but also is crispy at the same time and has these different colors and shapes going on in the background, kind of opposite of your normal portrait headshot where it's usually one color or seamless in the background. It fits my style, it fits my taste. Honestly, I'd love to hear what your tips are or your tricks, because obviously I'm not always a very traditional photographer or creative in that sense. I tend to be very scrappy. So any ideas, any tricks, tips, leave them below. Thank you so much for watching.